You're one of the few lucky ones who gets to watch Virat Kohli live in his home ground. What's this feeling like?
It's a surreal feeling. I really can't believe I'm actually watching him.
I love him too much. I've been supporting him for many years and this is the first time I'm getting to watch him.
It's a dream come true to come and see Kohli in his home ground.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं।
एकदम अभी तक गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं। लास्ट ईयर मैच नहीं होता, आरसीबी को बहुत मिस करा हमने कोहली को। इस बार कोहली ने आते ही 50 मार दिया तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है, देख के बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
And what a amazing performance. I am just love with this guy since forever and will be forever and ever.
What makes Virat Kohli one of the finest cricketer in the world?
He never misses a chance to score a run. मतलब he tries to avoid as many dot balls as much as can. So that makes him the best chaser in the world.
I think the amount of hard work he puts in all of his matches, the effort he puts in, just the passion that he has for the game and for his country.
I think it's his perseverance. He keeps coming back and surprising us again and again. His love for cricket makes me love cricket even more.
I think he has got pretty solid mind. He has worked on his body really well and he's a hard worker.
Is his aura, his mentality and his mindset. He's 36 batting like he's 24. He's running 4 runs in a very small pitch and in a T20 game in a pitch which is less than 60-70 meters. He has been doing it since so long. He's called run machine because of something and people recognize cricket because of Kohli.
I think his attitude towards the game, he's relentless, just loves to win. He's very competitive. And yeah, that's what makes him really good at this game.
Biggest name in the world. Everybody is scared to even bowl to him. So really hats off to that guy playing at this level, playing in this manner consistently every single match. It really takes a lot to perform at this level.
How do you draw inspiration from the GOAT? How do you draw inspiration from Virat Kohli?
There was a time when he was having a very low moment when he was playing, and the way he just came back up. It just shows that there's always that, even though there are moments when you fall, you always get back up on your own feet.
I take inspiration from him, like to always to believe in yourself, work on your body and mind, and always go ahead with intent.
Nothing bothers him. If he's playing his game, he's at it. He's giving his 100%, and I think if all of us, whatever we do, we start giving our 100%, we'll be good at it. It's the sheer passion and perseverance that he stands for, and I feel like there's been a lot of times that I drew inspiration when I got bogged down by a lot of things in life, and I saw what this man is doing at the age he's doing, the fitness he has, and the passion he continues to have. Hats off to him.